one boy bought. I didn't remember the name, but he bought a packet of Maggie at 10th September 2020, and he has and
I will open. Wait, Dania. I am
Ma'am, I
opening
also
the.
have the same query.
I
I
am
also
opening the
have the
form.
same query.
Wait a minute. I am opening the Google form.
And ma'am, in the ma'am, may I say J1 also INJ.
I am going to
Ma'am,
present
may I
the
say?
question. Wait. I'm going to present the Google form. Then you please tell me the question numbers.
Okay.
This is the Google form.
Yes, ma'am.
First,
Yes,
Manya
ma'am.
will speak,
yes,
and then I will move to the other students. Yes, Manya.
ma'am, news and
Yes,
the
ma'am.
link.
Which child is send the link again?
Anna,
And this
I
is the
also have a
problem when
doubt.
we join late. No, we face the difficulty. This is not today's link, beta. We are discussing the problems of the yesterday's Google form. Yes, Manya. Tell me the question number.
Yes, ma'am.
I will come to you also. Manya, tell me.
Question number I.
I. Let me read. Ram, check the date. Let me put the headphones.
Ma'am, I can say answer.
Wait a minute, na Tej Kumar. She has a problem. Let me clear it out. Ram, check the date of a manufacturing printed on a pack of a Maggie is 10 October 2020, and it has a stamp which says used by 10th October 2020. So whenever you we have when we were had done this chapter, we have learned about the expiry dates and the manufacturing dates. So this
Yes.
is the expiry date that after 10th October 2020 you cannot use it. Okay. So but now they are saying that should he use the Maggie today in the breakfast? Today means today working day in this, if whenever you get the CT, whenever you are doing this Google form, when he will able to use that day.
Yeah, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, I thought that in the last line should he use today. So I thought that 23 September 2021.
No, today means the day you are doing your Google form.
Ma'am,
Yes, I also thought the
You are
same.
done yesterday.
Yes,
You are
ma'am.
done yesterday, right? So should he do use the Maggie today? Or if we are doing no, so we will say
Ma'am, so
no.
what the question says, I didn't get.
ma'am, have to write that.
Question what?
Ma'am, I didn't get the question. Like, can I
Actually, okay,
explain?
I will explain
Ma'am,
it.
in
Okay.
this only I got also confused. I think 23rd
Also
September.
got confused. You have to
And then
write
you
this.
said that the
If
answer will.
everyone is confused, so be quiet and listen. Yes. Yes, Manya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. You said that it should be not. It should be used by yesterday, but it shouldn't be na because it was the year changes. It 2020 and today is 2021.
It was
That's
already
correct.
expired 1 year before.
Yes, ma'am.
So if suppose उसके घर पे अगर वो पैकेट रखा हुआ है and the date is 10 October 2020, and from like you students, he is opening on 20, yesterday was 23, right? 23 9 2021, because I have given today word is you based on the your when you are seeing this question, that is today word is used. So today means yesterday's date, right? In this Google form you are opening and reading this question on 23rd, so they are asking you whether he will use it on 23rd 9 2021. No, he cannot use it because it was already expired on 10/10/2020. So here the today word describing you the day you are reading this question.
Ma'am, but in my when I write there, it will be no, so it is showing it will be yes. Yes, ma'am. In my also it was showing like that.
Yes,
Let
ma'am,
me
in
check.
my also. In my also.
So I will check
I
the
also.
answer and correct it. Okay. Maybe in the Google form it is taking like this.
And ma'am, in the J1 also.
J1 also. Let me read the J. Okay. J1 is the school closes for winter vacation from 26 December. Yeah. Maybe students, you will face the difficulty in I1. I will change the answer. Okay. I will change the answer.
Ma'am,
It will be no.
I have a doubt in that J1.
I will read the J. Then I will move to Tej Kumar. Have
Ma'am,
some patience.
one more is also there.
Okay. Which one?
Ma'am, O1, which is the closer to the which house?
O. O is where is David's house? Yes. Which place is closer to the question is which is closer to the David's house? So
Ma'am,
David's
can I
house is
say
here.
Vishnut?
Yes, Vishru.
Ma'am, library, ma'am, library.
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 Why library? Because
Yes,
library is here and the school is somewhere
Ma'am, that. Excuse
here.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I thought that from David's house that the school will be nearest because when
Aradhya, I
he
will not answer you because I am listening already to the one child. Yes, Manya.
Yes, ma'am. I thought that the school will be closer to David's house because David can't go from down. Like he opens the door and just like down library will come, but the gate is from the main street.
Hmm.
So he need to take a whole round and go to the library now.
Hmm.
But when he will go to school, he just need to go like this, and his school
And
will
where
come.
is the school? Let me find.
Ma'am, here. Ma'am, down.
Yeah.
Supermarket.
Then he has to come like this, then Berry Drive, then he has to come again this, and this is school. Even though if you are going a long route to the, then also the library is closer compared to the school.
Okay, ma'am. Now I understand that the J1 also in that I didn't count that day 26th one.
Okay. Now Tej Kumar, ask your query.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in that second one.
Which one?
Second.
Read the question problem properly.
Ma'am, did you send the link in the classroom?
This is not the today's link. This is already being posted yesterday in the classroom.
Okay.
Yes, Aradhya, what is your query, bacha? Then I will move to the Tej Kumar. You were asking, no, before.
Excuse me,
But I
ma'am.
forgot the question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kashvi.
Is that today a CT?
Ma'am,
Check your classroom. If you come in blank in my class, then sorry, I will not answer.
ma'am,
You are blank that the link is, ma'am, give me the link. You are blank that when is the CET. So please check your classroom. Everything is posted in the classroom, Kashvi. And you are not completely visible to me. I want to see your complete face. You are coming blank. Okay. You are not aware what are we doing. You are not aware when is the CET. You are not aware about the link. Come prepare in the class. Yes, Tej Kumar, you ask, then Manya.
Q and R question.
Which one?
Q and R.
Wait. Q and the R one. I will write here. Let me check the question. Q. Convert 1725 seconds into minutes and seconds. How you will convert it into the seconds and
Yes,
minutes
ma'am.
and
In this
seconds?
Ma'am,
also.
28 minutes.
Ma'am, in this also, I don't know, but I only write whatever I think. That's why. In
Wait
I
a minute.
forget on also in notebook there is not written.
Convert
Yes, ma'am.
1725 seconds into the minutes and seconds. How you will do this?
Ma'am, we have not written in also notebook. I have
We have
checked.
not done this Q1,
No, ma'am. And
and
R also.
R also we have not done.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we will first do the revision of this and then you can do it, no problem. Okay? Yes, Manya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt in T1 also.
Which one? T.
T. Last.
Subtract 8 hours 20 minutes from 16 hours 15 minutes. So first you have to learn how to subtract. My board is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is blur. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's not blur.
hours and minutes you have to make the two column. So from 16 hours you have to make 15 minutes. This is the bigger group, and then 8 hours 28 minutes is the smaller group which you write down. So now whenever we subtract the minutes, 50 out of 15, 28 is not possible to subtract. So we borrow the 1 hour from here and it will become 75 minutes now. 15 minutes plus 60 minutes. So will become the 75 minutes and this will become the 15 hours. Now it is easy for you to Manya to subtract. 75 now you can subtract the normal way you subtract. 5 minus 8 is not possible, so it will be 15 minus 8. Whenever in the minutes it is not possible to subtract, we need to take the complete from this. Suppose here are the minutes, so we take the complete 60 minutes to the seconds, but here are the hours and minutes, so we take the complete 1 hour which will go in the minutes will become the 60 minutes,
Ma'am,
right?
ma'am, you
Yes.
cut first. First you cut then first hours. Then you cut 15. Then it is 60 minutes and you plus 75.
15 are already there with you.
Yes, ma'am.
1 hour you have taken, so
Ma'am,
1 hour
then
when go in the minutes will become the 60 minutes,
yes,
so
ma'am.
it
Then
will be
you
75 minutes. Yes,
okay.
15 minutes are already there in that, no? So you add 75 minutes now total. Now you subtract the way you subtract. 15 minus 8 is
15 minus 8. Ma'am,
7.
15 minus 8.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And here it will become 6. 6 minus 2 is
4.
4. And this is also 15 minus 8 is 7. So the answer is 7 hours 47 minutes is there in the option, which is the second option is the correct answer. Clear, Manya? Whenever we subtract, this is the very important point in this time about the subtraction and addition. Yes, Manya. Let me pin you.
I
Yes.
did the sum like this. That's
What?
why I didn't got the answer.
Yes. So now you understood how you have to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
About the subtraction. Whenever the subtraction is this in the timings, if it is not possible to subtract, then we have to take the complete 1 hour. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. And ma'am, can you explain the question H1 15 minutes to 5 same as?
Ma'am, it will come 5:15.
H1.
No, ma'am. When I did it, it was showing me wrong, and the answer was 4:45.
Which question you are telling, Manya?
Ma'am, H1.
15 minutes to
5 same as. Can you explain me little
15
bit?
minutes to 5. So it will be, yeah, 15 minutes to 5 means 5 बजने में अभी भी 15 minutes है. The other way of timing is quarter to 5. Quarter to 5, how you will write quarter to 5, Manya?
Yes, ma'am. After the hour I will write 45 minutes.
After the hour? Yeah, after the hours. So the quarter to 5 means what? How many hours and how many minutes?
Ma'am, the answer will be 4:45.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. I have a doubt in that second one.
Answer is the 4:45 is the correct answer.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the first time, but when you explained me, I understood. Because yesterday I was confused that how will come this one.
When 15 minutes are there, still Moksha to never wait for the turn. Yeah, Radhya, I will come to you. I will come to Moksha. I will come to Dej Kumar. Any other child having any doubt, raise your virtual hand. I will answer your queries. Okay. Now, Manya, now you understood there are still 15 minutes to reach to 5. So it is the other, it is called quarter to 5. So it will be 4:45. If I say quarter past 5, past means 15 minutes already passed after the 5, so it will be 5:15. When I say half past 5, half means 30 minutes pass. Half
Ma'am,
past 5,
5:30.
it will be 5:30. So half past concept, quarter to concept, quarter past concept is clear to you all.
Yes,
Anyone,
ma'am.
any doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
Tej.
understood the names of the minutes and all that, but I didn't understand the question.
The language of that question. Okay.
Ma'am, I have made mistakes, so I
And
submitted and mark as done. I do.
Yes, yes. Yes, Tej Kumar, please ask. Then Moksh and then Aradhana.
Then it means quarter one.
Yes.
Then in this question, it is why it is written same. I have written 550. In same, what is meaning of same in this question?
Which question? The same question.
Yes, ma'am.
15 minutes to 5 is same as, मतलब 15 minutes to 5 जो है वो किस ऑप्शन की तरह दिखेगा आपको?
4:45.
यस, चार ऑप्शन है, चारों में से किसकी तरह दिखेगा? 15 minutes to 5 विल भी दिखेगा हमें 4:45 की तरह.
Then why the same word is
Same means, my dear, that is the language of the question which you need to understand. Ki how do you see the 15 minutes to 5 out of these options? Out of the given option, how you will see the 15 minutes to 5? Same as means किसकी तरह सा दिखेगा? Like if I say Tej Kumar will look same as whom? I will look like same as whom? Like suppose you will make picture of mine and give me some options. So out of the given options, I look same as whom? Same as means मैं किसकी जैसा दिखती हूँ? Right? So that is the time. So 15 minutes to 5 पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए वो क्या होता है, which is 4:45, and 4:45 किसकी जैसा दिखेगा? थर्ड ऑप्शन के जैसा दिखेगा, which is 4:45.
okay, ma'am.
Understood the language of the question? Yes, Moksh, ask your query.
Yes, ma'am. I have a problem in U1. Convert
Seconds and minutes, no?
Yes.
That I will teach you in the class. Because if you're saying that is not done, so we will learn it. Okay.
Second one only.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, Aradhya, please ask.
Meaning.
You were
Ma'am, may I
asking
drink
something, no?
water? That's like
Water?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, please.
I have confusion in the J1 and
Ma'am,
the
I was saying that I can drink water. I was saying that.
Yes,
J
please.
and S1. J and S.
J and
S.
J is about how to count the vacations. It is saying the school closes from winter vacation from 26th December to 15th of January. Okay. So 26th, the school closes for winter vacation from 26th December. So 26, 27 December is having how many days? First of all, you should know. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December is having how many days in a month?
30.
31 है ना, आपने नहीं देखा 31 दिसंबर सब लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं.
31.
So there are 31 days in the month of December.
Yes.
So you need to count the number of days remaining in the December from 26. आपकी छुट्टियां 26 से शुरू हो गई.
Yes.
तो 26 को भी आपकी छुट्टी है.
Yes.
So that also you will count in the holidays.
Yes.
So from 26 December till 31st December, how many number of the holidays you have in December?
Okay. Okay. I know.
Right? So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So there are 6 holidays in the month of December and there are 15 holidays in the month of January. So there are total 21 days holidays you have.
Okay.
So whenever you count the number of days, you need to count that day also.
I was confused that we have to count that 26 or not.
Yes, you have to count because that day also is your holiday, no?
Yeah.
So if suppose if I say your holidays are starting from 28th, so you will count the day 28th also.
Okay. Okay.
This way, what you need to understand the language of the question, right?
Yes.
So if suppose I am telling you you are going on a trip from 4th to 8th. So how many days you are going for a trip?
5 days.
5 days. Got it? Because you are going for 4th also. And till 8th you are out. Till 8th you are not there. So from 4th to 8th you are going for the trip. So 5 days. You will not say 4 days.
Yeah.
Yes, Manya, ask.
I said the S1 also. In the confused I was. That
It is addition one.
not the S1, but R.
R1 is related with what? Seconds and minutes.
Second
Yeah.
one.
We have to convert 25 minutes and 10 seconds into seconds.
That I will explain you in the next coming class.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt till here to any child about addition, subtraction? Yes, Suchi, you were having also a doubt. You have written in the chat box.
I have doubt in the multiply power and
Nothing audible. Nothing is audible to me.
Ma'am, say to Suki to say again.
Suchi, write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, Suji is saying that Danya's doubt is her doubt only.
Okay. So now we have done with the doubt session today. Now we are going to revise the tables. Okay. I will show you my presentation screen. I will show you the table of 12. Learn it for 2 minutes. Then I will ask from you all in the dodging form. Start learning tables till 15.
Okay.
Ma'am, I know till 15.
have to write that.
Very good. No need to write. Yeah, better write that in your notebooks. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Take out your revision notebook, write the table of 12 in the notebook. Then I will ask from you all in the dodging form.
Ma'am, in this book,
Revision notebook, you don't know which is the revision notebook,
yes,
bacha? Long book? That notebook. This is the table of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48.
12 5 is 60.
Yeah, just please see that. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, first we have written of 12 to 50.
Ma'am, can you please show us?
Yes.
Ma'am,
12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 20. 120. Sorry. Please write it in your notebooks, the table of 12. And I want you to write table of 13 and 14 and 15 also in the notebook after the class. Tomorrow I will ask the tables from you all.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
50.
from 12 to 15. Ma'am, from 10 to 15.
I'm writing here on the board because I think the students are not listening at the one go. So I am writing here
Ma'am,
on
we
the
have to
board.
write in maths notebook. Ma'am, I
You can all see my board now.
Ma'am, revision notebook or maths notebook?
hello, ma'am. I have written. I'm written.
Return.
You can say done.
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 Ma'am, I have already kept in my computer and in the phone which I
Ma'am, I have
use.
written 12.
I have
Table.
already
Ma'am, I
written
can
we have
speak
to
now.
so I can revise it all the times.
Ma'am, I can speak
For
the
application.
table of
I am now stopping it. I will ask you all now.
ma'am, the table 12.
Yes. Anne, start the table of 12. Not listening. Bhavya, table of 12.
12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 1, 12 nines are 100, 8 12 tens are 120.
Rajvi Nikhare, 12 sixes.
Yes, ma'am.
12 sixes.
12 6 are 36.
12 sixes 36. Excellent. In
Ma'am, may
grade
I
4
say
child,
Nanya?
don't. I will call the child name. Yes, Danya. 12 eights.
12 8 are 96.
Rehan Dobaria. 12
Ma'am,
nines.
12 nines are 108.
Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
12 sixes.
Ma'am, you can hear me now.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 12 6 is 70.
Vedant.
Ma'am,
12 eights.
12 8s are 12 8s are 96.
Moksh.
Yes, ma'am.
12 fives.
60.
Nishwa. 12 sixes.
12 6 72.
Jigar Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
12 fives.
12 5 is 60, ma'am.
Kebian. 12
Yes.
threes.
12 3 is 36.
Niba.
Yes.
12 sevens.
12 7 are 84.
Viva.
Yes, ma'am.
12 eights.
12 is 96.
Vishrut. 12 nines.
What, ma'am?
12 nines. 12 nines. Vishrut.
Ma'am, 108.
Learn table by heart because I can see you looking here and there. Yes, Mania. 12 sixes.
Ma'am, 72.
Jan Patel. 12 fours. Dan Patel, 12 fours. Dan Patel, are you there in some another world?
48.
Yes. Ane. Ane. Ane, can you answer me? Can you hear me? Divit. 12 threes.
12 3 is
Yes.
36.
Suchi. 12 sevens. 12 sevens. Suchi. Yes. Vedant.
Yes, ma'am.
12 fives.
12 5 is 60, ma'am.
Rajvi Nikhare. 12
Yes,
sevens.
12 7 is 84.
84. Ane. Again, he is still stuck and having bad network. Okay. So can we all revise together the table of 12? Moksha,
Yes, ma'am.
you know the table of 12 complete table?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I also know.
Ma'am, I am know the table of 12. Ma'am, I know the table of 12.
Everyone is excellent in my class. Can I call Moksh now? Moksh,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to say the table of 12. They have to say you after you.
Okay, ma'am.
Start with 12 ones are 12.
12 ones are 12.
Wait. They will say 12 ones are
12
I want the big boys all together. 12 ones are
12
12 threes are 36. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. Quiet, quiet everyone. Quiet,
120, 12
quiet. You all have to say only after me. 12 ones are 12 twos are 12 threes are 12 fours are 12 fives are 12 sixes are 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 100. 12 tens are 120. So this way at home also keep reciting the tables, learn tables till 15 and come tomorrow. I will ask the from you all. Got it, students?
Ma'am, I
Thank you.
also written in my own application.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.